You. Whereas I stand under Article 61 of Magna Carta 1215, which was invoked in March 2001. According to constitutional protocols, any attempt to enforce unlawful acts, statutes or legislative laws on myself will be taken as an act of high treason, for which you will stand trial before a jury of the people, and which still carries a gallows. I urge you to consider Nuremberg. I was just doing my job is no defence. As evidence of those trials, ignorance of the law is no excuse, maxim in law. Anything you say or any action taken by you against myself will be used before the jury to deny constitutional law is sedition, at common law, and carries full asset stripping and life in prison. Do you understand?
I understand. Thank you for that.
Just let this gentleman explain that, please.
Okay.
Okay, so we're here today to execute a warrant of entry under the Public Health Control of Disease Act 1984 because we have reasonable grounds to suspect that you are continuing to operate a tattoo in business.
There's no tattooing going on here.
In contravention of the
There's no tattooing going on
Let
here.
him speak.
So what I'm first going to do is caution you.
What's your name, sir?
Sergeant James. Right.
Sergeant James.
You've had yours.
4724. Yeah, I've still got my time too.
Aaron, my name's Dylan Davis.
I do not understand. I do not consent. I do not answer any questions.
That's fine.
I do not accept.
That's fine, Aaron. I'm going to caution you now. You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention, when questioned, something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
As they come out,
Can I get your details?
Aaron, this is...
No, sorry, I do not accept it. I do not consent.
Okay.
Has it got a wet signature from a judge?
Yes, signed by the judge.
No, that isn't signed by the judge. Can I just explain to you something? Officers, can I just explain something to you? That this is a civil matter, not a criminal matter. And that warrant there has no wet signature from a judge, right? So this, no, I'm speaking please, right? That is no wet signature from a judge. That is an illegal warrant. I'm asking you now to check that warrant. You're on camera.
it's been checked, right?
It's not been checked.
Nothing to worry about.
I'm going to give you a notice of powers and rights, okay?
Hold on.
This is for you.
What's your name? Sorry. Ben. Where's Ben?
And we're going to get everyone's
Here's your notice of powers and rights.
What's your name? Sorry. No, yeah, we'll write it down. 2 seconds.
But everyone's going to be getting the details as we leave.
You do not have to give your details. You don't have to remember the...
Right.
Can you get us a pen?
In my opinion, or I suspect that the people in here were breaching regulations. Okay.
Regulations are not law. Regulations are not law.
I'll speak to you in a minute. Right?
No, you won't.
So, that's what's going to
Got a pen? No, I do not accept that. Sorry, what's your name? Can you record that for me? I just want to wait. Right?
DYL.
DYL.
Okay.
That's Davis with an IE.
D-A-Y. D-Y-L-A-N.
D-A-V.
D-A-V.
I-E-S.
I-E-S. Hold on. Davies.
Davies.
D-A-Y-V-I-E-S.
Davies.
This goes to court. D-A-V-I-E-S.
You will allow us to do what we need to do today.
What is it you need to do?
We need to come in and inspect your business for evidence of continuing to work. So that's something that we're going to come in and do today.
And you were from where, sorry?
Bristol City Council.
You will be around.
Right, how are we getting on?
Alright.
City. You can leave that any way you want. I won't accept it.
I'm going to give you a bag.
I'll tell you what, Aaron, we'll leave it on the side so you've got it.
I haven't accepted it. I do not consent to it.
That's fine. I didn't ask you to accept it. Pop on there and then
Hold on, I just want to fill out this as well.
you can carry on this.
Ben, can I get Ben in a minute? Because he's helping with this.
No one else is coming in.
Right, I'll stand at the door.
You can leave it.
You don't give them, you're going to be arrested. Alright, come out with me as well.
Hang on, buddy. I'm going to get your details in there. You can't find my details. Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Right, Dylan David, can you fill the rest of that out so I can serve him for me, please? That's his name there. Okay. Can I take your name and number, please?
You don't need my name, you got my number.
What's your number, please, then, sir?
2880.
Two what?
880.
2880. Could I take your name and number, please?
Can you take my number? There you go, very well.
1984, that's appropriate.
Could I take your name and number, please?
Take my number.
Thank you very much.
I'll get a few more, sir.
Could I take yours as well?
Yeah.
What's your name, sir? You're a public servant. I'm requiring your name.
Michael Allen.
Right. Gonna take yours as well. You're all refusing to give me your name, yeah? Can I have your name, sir?
6270, that's my phone number.
627.
6272.
That's it, that's better. Right. And your name, sir?
You going to get your stuff? Are you staying?
What stuff?
Well, I don't know. You off or what?
No, I'm staying. I won't, because have you finished that yet? Hold on, Dylan, before you make any more, I just want to give you some paperwork too.
No, you can give him his paperwork in a minute. He's got to do his job first.
Yeah, no, I can give it to him right now.
Well,
Well, I'm just letting you know that I stand under common law, under Article 61 of the Magna Carta. Make sure someone goes live. You are not obliged to give your name. Can I have your name and number, please, sir?
4522 Downham.
Thank you very much. Can I have your name and number, sir, please?
Allow me to take my number.
2133. And your name and number, sir?
Yeah, of course, mate.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
And your name and number?
3852.
3852. Your name, sir?
Fletcher.
Thank you very much.
Guys, can you just give us a bit more space?
Yeah, come on, guys. Don't let them do their job. Stay peaceful. Stay lawful.
How are you, mate? You alright?
Alright, let's get a bit of a corner. I don't want to keep it nice and Guys, in let's get these people back.
Is that done? Is it?
Just double check that a second.
That's it.
That's it, mate.
Hold on. Excuse me. Just pass that to Dylan.
Yeah, I'll give it to Dylan. There you go, Dylan.
Excuse me. Can you? Excuse me.
You asked me to pass it to him.
Why are you snatching out my hand? Why are you snatching my hand?
You asked me to pass it to him.
You're snatching out my hand.
I apologise for snatching.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
That's my copy, is it? Can you hold that for me? All right. Dylan, just to let you know, you've now been served. All right.
This gentleman, this officer,
Okay.
can get your details so we can do it.
You're not obliged to give your details. Who'd have thought, eh? Coming to work, they're trying to arrest you. Coming to work. I know, I'm not even working. All right, you don't have to touch me. That's assault. Do not touch me. I stand under common law jurisdiction. Do not touch me.
Don't come forward,
Do
Mark,
not
right?
touch me.
Don't come forward, there won't be a
You
problem.
do not have to give your details. You are not obliged to give your details. It's not against the law. Pardon? Well, if let him kidnap you and then put a tort claim in. Listen, you're not obliged to give your details.